Introduce features highlight or overview summary about Sportway S70 mirror dash camera mount holder with 6 PCS. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Features highlight or overview summary are include. Sportway S70 is the best dashcam companion. This dashcam mirror mount comes with 6 different joints, perfect compatible with more dashcam, action camera, GPS, sport DV, recorder cam, and more. Such as APEMAN, Z-Edge, Old Shark, iiwey, Crosstour, Falcon, not all. With real 360 degrees ball design, you can adjust the joint to any angle as you want. It can be horizontally or vertically, providing you with perfect viewing angle. Using POM plastics and rubber material and screw, super slim 9.70mm design, clamping diameter range, 13 to 51 mm, 0.5 to 2.0 inch, comes with 2 long screws and 2 short screws. Net weight, 190 grams, bearing weight, 10 kilograms, 22 pounds. Toolless and easy to install and remove. Mount your dashcam behind car rear view mirror, without blacking your driver's view. Mirror pull at least 0.4 inch. The soft rubber pad ensures a firm mount and avoids damaging the surface to your rear view mirror pole. Durable construction prevents slipping and breaking, never fall off from the windshield. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.